Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are talking about the 2015 Honda City. The vehicle is standing right in front of us. Let's dive into the vehicle. But firstly, I would like to thank Pride Motors Pune for providing their vehicle for a review. And yes, this vehicle is for sale on Pride Motors Pune. Let's talk about the details of the vehicle. So this is the 2015 Honda City petrol, yes, 1.5 liter I-Vtec petrol, and it has driven 1,16,000 kilometers with all the service records from the Pune, from the Honda dealership. And yes, this is a non-accidental car and the ownership is first. So yeah, this is the first ownership, this is the first owner car. So let's talk about the vehicle. Straight away coming to the front design, you can see how beautiful the front design of the vehicle looks. You get a big chrome grille, Honda logo given there, fog lamps down there. Let's talk about the engine of the vehicle. So let me open the hood. For that I need to come here and I need to pull this lever. You can see this. I need to pull this and let me make that quick. Where is it? And you can see this. Yes, this is the 1.5 liter I-Vtec petrol producing 117.3 bhp of power and 200 Newton meters of torque is on offer. This is a very refined and very reliable engine, definitely, as it is a Honda engine. And you can see the engine bay, how clean the engine bay is. Definitely this is a 9-year-old car, and this particular variant is a CVT. Yeah, it comes with a CVT gearbox. No insulation right there. Let's close this. Okay, so let's come up to the side of the vehicle. Let's talk about the side profile. Just a second, let me fit this into the frame. You can see how big this car, how long this car is, and how elegant it looks from every angle. You can see the cuts and creases all across the body makes this very fluid and a very magnificent design, definitely. Let's talk about the tires. So it runs on 15 inches and the tire size happens to be 185/60/15. So you can see alloy wheel design is quite decent and suits the car, definitely. It looks very beautiful in this pearl white color. Let's come up to the ORVMs. You can see how beautifully the turn signal has been integrated in the ORVM. This is of course electronically retracted. You can see a sunroof over there. Yes, that's a good touch, as this is the top model. Let me show you one more thing. Let me just open the boot. Okay. So firstly we'll check with the rear design. So you can see how elegant it looks from the rear. Yeah, definitely our Honda does very good designs. And let's come up to the rear. You can the Honda branding done over here, Honda logo given here, City VX written over here, and the I-Vtec branding done right here. Let's open the boot. You can see how big the boot is. Let me just show you properly. Yes, this is the complete boot size of this vehicle. Let me come down over here. You can see the spare wheel. It is a smaller section spare wheel. It is a 175/65R15. Yes, cost cutting has been done over there, but the fit and finish, overall quality of the car is very decent, and the car is really well maintained. It has no scratches on the body line. So you can see a camera, and this is a stock camera, definitely. You can see the bumper, how sporty the bumper looks, and you get two reflectors down there. And like the body line of the car, being a 9-year-old car, is very good. Like it is in a very good condition, definitely. Let me talk about the door pads. So you can see simple and sober door pads on offer. You get a door pocket here. You can fit in half-liter bottle, definitely, easily. Speaker placement given over here. You get some kind of storage space over here. Silver treatment. This is leather, soft touch, definitely. And chrome door handle to open and close the door. Tweeter placement over here. This is hard plastic, but the door feels very premium, definitely. Let me show you the cabin space of this vehicle. So you can see how magnificent the cabin is. Like the cabin is quite spacious, definitely. Because of the wheelbase now, the cabin feels very spacious and very airy because of the sunroof. Let me close the door. Hear this, okay? Just hear this. Close it with a proper thud due to the build quality. Leg room is decent. Knee room is stupendous. Under tire support is okay. Let me talk about the headroom. So you can see my head is now almost touching the roof. So yeah, as it is a sedan, yeah, definitely. In sedans, we have less headroom, but good comfort because of the recline angle of the seats. Let me come to the seats and the upholstery. You can see how beautifully the seats have been done. Let me just shift this camera back over here. Okay, you can just see. And yeah, the seat quality is also very good, because the seats are not torn, and these are the original leather seats. Okay, so let me talk about the handrest, center and armrest. So you can see twin cup holders on offer, and yeah, the Honda bits. It just touches the seat down because it loves to lay to the seat or kiss the seat. Definitely, jokes aside, place it back into place. You can see the partial shelf over there, and we don't get adjustable headrest, but yeah, both the passenger gets a headrest, but center passenger misses on getting a headrest. Let me show you the AC controls over here. You get 2 AC vents, and you can just control the flow over here. Nothing of that sort. A 12-volt charging socket, two 12-volt charging socket on offer. The floor is not flat, a bit of hump can be seen. Let me show you the dashboard of the vehicle. Just a second. You can see this is how the dashboard of the vehicle looks like. It looks very premium, and like very classy dashboard was on offer. You get some kind of magazine holder over here and over here too, and you get a handle to hold on, and these are the lights. Yeah, let's just shut them, and you get a handle and a hook over here. Okay, let's get out and let's come up to the driver's seat. So I'll show you more bits over there. Definitely, guys. Let's go. Alright. So you have a request sensor over here, definitely. I'll show you the key in a moment. And you can see the door pads are same. These are the window controls over here. One touch for the driver side. Only if, I guess, if you do this, it raises up. If you do this, it comes down. Let us get inside. Definitely, we get adjusted seats over here. This is to release the boot. This is to release the fuel lid. This is to release the hood of the vehicle, and you can see the levers, no exposed bits. The car is very well maintained. Definitely, let's get inside. Getting in and out, not an issue. Let's close the door, and the doors open quite wide. Okay, so just a second. Let me do this so we can easily shoot. Alright, so yes, here you can see the dashboard, how beautiful the dashboard looks right now. Okay, let me show you the key. Let me just show you the key of the vehicle, and the key is also very premium. Definitely, yeah, it is indeed. So you can see the key. Yes, here is the key of the vehicle. This is to lock the car, unlock the car, and release the boot. Let me start the vehicle for the moment, and you can see the sporty engine start stop button. Let me focus it for you. Yes, so we'll just press it, and you can see it roars to life. So yeah, you can see the instrument cluster. So there are 3 meters here. These two are analog, and this is a digital cluster over here. This is the tachometer. This is the speedometer. Territory lights placed over here, and here you can, oh sorry, I just turned on the wipers by mistakenly, and you can see, wait a second, okay, I'll focus it, and you can see the gear which I am in, or the mode which I am in, and here you get a lots of information. You can just toggle this information. Okay, you can't toggle that information right now. Okay, here you get a lots of information about trip, odometer, temperature, fuel meter, distance to empty, everything. And yes, see, you get paddle shifters on offer, which is a very good feel. And you can see the steering wheel. Steering feels very good to hold. These are the cruise control settings, and this is to control the audio right there. The steering gives a very good feel and feedback. And yes, Honda does very great job in designing the steering wheel, definitely. So yeah, let's come up here. You get a economy mode. If you press this, you can see that the economy mode is activated at the moment. These are the auto ORVM controls. Pressing this button, the auto ORVM reflects. This is for the headlight leveler. Let's talk about the steering wheel. So let me just show you this. So this is only for the tilt. Okay, let's get back into place. So you can see the gearbox, the automatic gearbox, and you can see this. Just a second. Can you? Okay. Can you see this S over here? Yes, that's the S is for the sports mode. Currently, I'm closing the blind for a moment, and then you can see auto climate AC is also on offer over here, and this is the infotainment system of the vehicle. Here you can control the radio. This is for the hazard. AC vents placed very wonderfully. You can see here some kind of power sockets is there. This is the 12 volt charging socket given over here. This is for the aux and this is for the USB. So closing them back in place, let me just show you this, the glove box. Yes, you can see the glove box, how beautifully and how spacious the glove box is too. Okay, let me come here up. Okay, just a second, let me open this. Okay, so we don't get a light over there, but we get a mirror, and we don't get a mirror over here. This is to control and operate the lights, definitely. All right, so now let's open the main part, and this is not auto dimming, this is manually we can dim the mirror, definitely. You can see this, manually we can dim the mirror. This is quite flimsy at the moment. And let me talk about the blind quality. The blind is hard and not flimsy. Quality of the blind is very good. Let's just firstly tilt the sunroof and just open it, so you can see you have lots of space, so it gives a very airy vibe. And let's put it back. All right, so if you want to be the owner of this vehicle, and if you want to buy this particular vehicle, you can definitely visit Pride Motors Pune, which